Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add Greenbot in Discord Mobile. So let's get started. If you are using Discord on mobile and want to add Greenbot to your server for moderation, utilities, or fun commands, the process is actually very simple. You just need a mobile browser and the correct permissions on your Discord server. First of all, open any browser on your phone, such as Chrome or Safari. In the search bar, type Greenbot Discord and open the official Greenbot website. Once the website loads, you will see an option that says Invite Bot or Add to Discord. Tap on that option. Now, you will be redirected to the Discord login page. If you are already logged in to Discord on your browser, it will automatically detect your account. Otherwise, log in using your Discord email and password. After logging in, Discord will ask you to select a server. Make sure you choose the server where you have Manage Server or Administrator permission, otherwise you won't be able to add the bot. After selecting the server, Discord will show you a list of permissions that Greenbot needs, such as managing messages, reading chats, or moderating users. Review these permissions carefully, then tap Authorize. Complete the CAPTCHA verification if it appears. Once authorized, Greenbot will instantly join your server. Now, open the Discord mobile app, go to your server, and you should see Greenbot listed in the Members section. To make sure it's working, you can type the default command like /help or the prefix command mentioned on the Greenbot website. If the bot does not respond, make sure it has the correct role permissions and that /commands are enabled in your server. You can also adjust Greenbot's settings directly from its dashboard if the website provides one. That's it. That's how you can easily add Greenbot to Discord using only your mobile phone. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.